your problem now? What is your problem? Someone cannot just die from this house again.
Angela, you're very stupid. What did she say? What is wrong with this girl for crying out loud? So nice of you. Why is Chief calling me now? What's wrong with this man? Someone cannot just rest. Chief, why are you disturbing my life? Hello, Chief.
Hello, baby. Where are you?
I'm at home now, but I'm kind of busy.
Why not come to Evergreen Hotel?
What?
You will have some penny.
Oh, okay. 1 million naira? Wow, that will really go a long way. Don't worry, I'm on my way coming. I'm not busy at home, I'm on my way coming. Alright, see you. Just in the next 1 hour, you'll see me there. Okay, bye. Wow. Chief. Okay, let me go and get ready and go and see my chief.
A few moments later.
Hey babe, where are you going to?
Babe, I'm going to see my friend.
Chai! To see your friends, okay. Let me join you now. I want to see your friends as well.
It is smoky, boo.
What do you mean you want to go with me? I don't understand. When did this one start? I'm not going again, in fact.
He shot you.
I'm not going again.
You be mumu. You think say you dey why?
A few minutes later.
See, I'm following you. See, today I'm going to follow you. Anywhere you are going to, I will see your friend. That your friend.
Jesus! Jesus!
Babe, what is your problem now? What is your problem? Someone cannot just die from this house
How
again.
many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is